Hello, hello, hello. Good morning. Oh, ano pa tayo? Morning pa. It's 11:59 a.m. po dito sa Ontario, Canada. Happy Monday! Happy Monday, beautiful people. I hope your Monday is amazing. Yes, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, kung saan man po kayo sa mundo. I hope your day is amazing. You are having fun, you are healthy, and you're loving life, and of course, just enjoying, right? Your time. Excuse me. But anyhow, si Tita po ito. Kumustamos? Shout out sa aking mga followers diyan. I always acknowledge you guys because I do appreciate your support sa aking business page. Yung mga comments nyo, yung mga pag-share nyo sa mga posts ko, I really appreciate each and every one of you. I wanted you to know that. But anyhow, yeah, so another Monday, another week na naman. Super bilis ng panahon. So I hope you had a productive weekend. You have a productive morning. Maybe yung iba sa inyo ay break time na kung kayo ay 9 to 5 grinder. 9 to 5 na. So yeah, for me, pauwi pa lang ako. I was teaching my aqua fitness this morning. So I had fun. I had my exercise. I got paid. I got paid having fun, di ba? Oh, okay. So yeah, so anyhow, nilagay ko po sa aking caption diyan. So we have this challenge, so 7 days challenge, go live challenge. So and I'm always grateful na ginagawa namin ito because this is where I started na mag-go live. Before, you never see me going live sa aking business page. Hindi ako active. But because of my online business, so na build up yung confidence ko, and then I can't remember if it was last year, but guys, like you know, I've been in the business for 2 years before pa man talagang nagkaroon ako ng lakas ng loob na mag-live, na mag-go live. And that was because we had the challenge as well at that time. That was 1 month actually, 30 days go live challenge. Na talagang, so kaya nilagay ko diyan, why is it important for you to surround yourself with people that will lift you up, people that will push you to be a better version of yourself? Because yes, we can. It's very important because kung isipin nyo na lang, kung ang network nyo, kung ang people na kasama nyo everyday, if they are complainer, kahit na positive-minded ka pa, maaapektuhan ka niyan. One way or another, magiging katulad ka rin nila. So it's very important talaga. Not only because, for me, it helps me a lot. It helps me a lot because, like, even if we're dealing something, like, you know, challenges, it's easier for us to overcome kung talagang positive-minded tayo, and then we are surrounded with positive people. Because let's face it, if you are struggling with something, and then you talk to someone who's very negative, hindi ka tutulungan yan, hindi yan makakatulong sa iyo para i-resolve yung challenges mo in a good way. Diba? Yung parang ididiin ka pa na, oh, that's really bad, blah blah blah, walang input na maganda. Diba? Whereas if you are surrounded with positive people, even through challenges, makakakita yan ng positive note kung ano man yung dinaranas mo. So it will lift up your spirit. Hindi yung lalo kang ididigin doon sa kung ano man yung challenges mo. Diba? So yun ang difference noon. I'm not talking only about this can be applied to our daily life talaga. Kahit na dito sa aming online business, you guys ko, yung nagpa-follow sa akin, you guys know that I have an online business na gino-grow ko, of course, and Facebook is my biggest platform. Kaya ako nagla-live, of course, to share with you because yes, this business is amazing and so many people's lives na talaga ang na-transform, natulungan because of this business. And isa na ako dyan. So i-example ko na lang, so when I started in the business, I was in a resort. So I was working in customer service, sales and marketing actually, and I was what do you call it? I started as an associate, of course, and then I moved up into being a supervisor, and then naging manager ako. Now, so yun ang sinasabi nila, when you are like mapopromote ka, there are more challenges. So ang ano ko doon, ang challenges ko doon is hindi yung work ko, but yung people around me. So isa din yun sa dahilan kaya ko iniwan yung full-time job ko doon. But of course, I won't be doing it kung hindi dahil sa aking online business. Right? Kung hindi nakatulong sa akin ang aking online business, then I won't be able to do that. But the point is, talagang kung ang ano mo kasi ako talagang pag hindi ako nagwo-worry na I could not find something, because I know deep inside I know I can find something. Right? Kasi kung your attitude is you are willing to learn new things, you are willing to go above and beyond, maraming ano sa iyo, maraming oportunidad ang tawag nun, madaming oportunidad ang lalapit sa iyo. So it's very important na yung network mo, yung kasama mo every single day is or yung mga nakakausap mo every single day is yung i-encourage ka to do better. Yung i-encourage ka na yes, you can do that. Hindi yung tao na parang ididiin ka pa. Diba? So I hope it makes sense. But yan ang point of view ko. Talagang because for me I'm so lucky because I have challenges at home, of course. I have, oh my God, kung challenges ang pag-uusapan natin marami. However, hindi ko pinofocus ang attention ko doon. I focus on something better. I focus on something good. I like, you know, I try my best to look for something na makapag-inspire sa akin. Because even if walang tao na nag-i-inspire sa iyo, you have to do something for yourself. Because at the end of the day, walang ibang makikinabang noon kung hindi ikaw. Right? So it's very important na hindi lang kasi kahit positive mindset, kahit positive minded tayo, pagka ang ating surroundings are negative, mahahawa nga po tayo. Now, kung positive-minded ka na, even na may challenges ka, Gemily, thank you for watching. Even na may challenges ka, it will be easier for you to cope up. Kung may mga tao na mag-help sa you to lift you up, lift your spirit up. Diba? Make sense ba, guys? But anyhow, that's my point of view. It's because as I have mentioned, marami akong challenges na talagang super, but I'm always grateful dahil I always come out stronger. Diba? So yeah, so nasa sa atin yun, nasa sa atin, but it's very very important na kahit na kasi kahit positive-minded ka nga, kung ang palibot mo naman ay puro mga negative, edi mahahawa ka nga. Whereas, kung meron kang support na positive-minded din, na mag-help sa'yo, will lift you up. Ooh. So, will lift you up. So, meron akong pop-up, sorry guys. That will lift you up. Then mas magkaroon ka ng lakas ng loob. mas magkaroon ka ng lakas na loob, di ba? So yes, it's very important. So see, ina-appreciate ko yung mga challenge na ganito. Katulad nito, see, yung 7 days na challenge namin ngayon is to go live again. But of course, it's up to us kung ano yung topic na i-explain. But for me, I appreciate this one because that is where I I build my confidence. Yung nga sinasabi ko kanina, you never see me going live on my Facebook page before I started my online business. So super dami nang naitulong sa akin. It's not only about money, it's just a lot of things that have shifted. And isa na po yung mindset ko, and then yung confidence ko talaga is super talagang ang super na nag-improve ako. So now we have this 7 days go live. So see? So I am surrounded with positive people that will mas gusto ko pa yun na ipupush ako to do better, because yes, kung hindi tayo mag-stretch, kung tayo ay if we always keep playing safe, ay walang mangyayari sa buhay natin. I'm not talking only about doing an online business or any businesses, but this one will also applies to our everyday life, sa ating trabaho. Right? Because if you're always positive-minded, mapapansin at mapapansin ka ng boss mo. See? So opportunity ay lalapit sa iyo. Whereas kung ikaw ay negative-minded, kung ikaw ay complainer, magugustuhan ka ba? Diba? So yun lang talagang So but anyhow, I hope it makes sense. So so yun lang ang gusto kong i-share sa inyo guys. So it's very important talaga. So circle back doon sa aking caption. So it's very important talaga that we surround ourselves with people that will lift us up, positive-minded people para makatulong sa atin. So it doesn't matter kung positive-minded na tayo, which is good, which is really amazing. And then pero kung hindi, try yourself to to be positive. Try to look on a positive note. Kahit ano pa man ang dinaranas niyo sa buhay, try to look at on a positive note kung ano man yung nangyayari sa buhay niyo, because there is always a positive note, there's always a positive information, there's always a positive thing na kino-communicate sa iyo. It doesn't matter kung ano man yung hinaharap niyo ngayon, kung ano man yung challenges na hinaharap niyo. Yes, you can always find something positive with that. Trust me. Talagang meron at meron. So yes, so it's very important talaga na talagang meron tayong network na magpupus sa atin na to do a better version of ourselves, to lift us up kung tayo ay may mga challenges na hinaharap. So anyhow, I hope it makes sense guys. Hindi na ako magtatagal. And yes, this is my first day of my Go Live 7 days Go Live challenge. So but anyhow, I try to keep you keep you in a loop. Hindi lang ako na lalabas na just to go for a live. No, I try to keep something na mai-input ko sa inyo, something positive, that try to inspire you, or to share something na makukuhanan nyo ng aral. Ang lalim ng Tagalog ko. But anyhow, thank you Emeline. Thank you for watching. But anyhow, hindi na po ako magtatagal. Ladies, thank you so much for showing up. Thank you for tuning in. Maraming salamat. I hope it makes sense. But anyhow, thank you again. Enjoy the rest of your Monday and keep safe and be happy and be healthy. God bless. Thank you.